Good evening traders, most welcome in our Unicorn Trading Academy. In last trading sessions, I have executed trade in US $30. I'm getting a lot of questions from foreign community and traders. They are asking me what is the reason behind your executions. Give me details and tell us trade logic. So I'm going to upload this video for their understanding purpose in English, and also I'm going to discuss in detail here trade logic behind executions in US 30. On the screen, we have 15-minute time frame US $30 chart, and I have executed this trade here. This is my entry level 42423. This is my entry level and stop loss below the nearby swing low in the 15-minute time frame. And TP I was expected. This CB was my TP. Finally, TP is triggered here. These are my execution errors, and let me explain why I executed this trade. In first, we have to go in daily time frame, in higher time frame. In daily time frame, higher time frame, what price telling us? First of all, price has taken buy side liquidity and then per sell side liquidity. What is buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity? Those uh, students of Unicorn Trading Academy, they know very well what is buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. This is concept because this high was taken out from the first, and after that taken a sell side liquidity here. Price first at first what did price first taken a buy side liquidity and taken a sell side liquidity. After taken a sell side liquidity, we anticipate price can go higher here, right? So in this case, first of all, we have to take after sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity here. And in buy side liquidity below here is a point of interest, which is order block of higher time frame, 1 day order block here. After tapping this order block, price very aggressively sell off here and tapped our order block. After tapping order block, we need volume confirmations here. What is volume confirmation? We take confirmations 4 hour or 1 hour point of interest here. We shifting in 4 hour time frame, and here you can look reactions, price reactions here on 1 hour, day one daily OB. In daily OB, here is a 4 hour EMSS here because price has expanded from here, expansions occurred here, and here a strong buying candle printed here, and price go higher. If price go higher, where it can reverse back into the ERL. Here is the ERL. Here is a point of interest. Here is the FPG. Here is a mitigation block. This mitigation block price comes in the ERL. We have to buy. We have to execute it here. But where we are taking a low risk buy here, which is entry, a low risk buy. Here is the order block, which is remains untappable order block here. This order block is extreme order block, and I expected this price will come to this order block and taken a liquidity after that perk. After liquidity perk, I have entered from here. Look at this point. First of all, price tapped in a daily POI, daily PD area, daily point of interest, and after we have to confirm volume. What is volume? Volume here you can notice here in 4 hour time frame. Here is a MSS with displacement. Price aggressively displaced for buy side traders, and after buy side per, we need a sell side per here. Same on higher time frame. This sell side per here. What here is sell side perk happen here where there is a point of interest. Price tapped this point of interest and we shifted in 1 hour. We need a market structure shift here. Here 4 hour fractal low tap here, and after taking this liquidity, there is a expansion in price delivery. Price same on higher frame as same price return into IRL. Take an external liquidity. I expect this external liquidity to be taken before price move. And you can notice here, after expansions, after displacement in price delivery, price has took out this all the liquidity in US $30 in 1 hour time frame. After taking this liquidity, I'm going to decide, going to plan here a buy side for the long. Here is the CB printed in 1 hour. This was my confirmation for the executions. You can notice here in 1 hour CB has been broken here. It is strong aggressive buying candle printed here, and this CB has been broken. After broken this CB, I shifted in 5 minute time frame here. You can notice here traders, big expansion occurred after the liquidity taken out, and after liquidity taken out, CB has been broken. Candle positive candle close above CB, and here you can notice this OB. OB is printed in one of in 5 minute time frame. After this OB printed, then I get expansions here, and I have entered at this point. At this point, I entered here, and stop loss I placed below the swing low. You can notice in 15 minutes how price reacted here. Price aggressively expand from this level, aggressively expand from over. Where was my TP? My TP, first TP was this CB. This TP triggered here, and after that price is taking a small retracement from this level. I have booked partial profit here, and after this I expect the buy side liquidity in 1 hour. I anticipate price can go on higher time frame, on a higher point of interest, because there is a lot of liquidity created. Low resistance liquidity is created from the top. You can notice here, these are the liquidity which is buy side liquidity, which is low resistance liquidity, resting on the this point of interest. So I expecting price can move higher on Monday. In first study session is very indecisive. So we will observe on Monday and Tuesday what price doing. After some confirmation, we will hold this trade for the long, and we will target this BCL, buy side liquidity. All the low resistance liquidity will be target here, because here is the original consolidations here. Price can aggressively move and aggressively grab this liquidity traders. This is a detailed trade logic behind our execution in US 30. If any questions, you can ask me in comment box.